Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be playing with slime. So, I have 3 buckets of slime. I'm not going to show you, well I am, but I just mean like I'm not going to show you like right away right now. So, I'm going to show you like one at a time from my, like the ones I really don't like to one I really like. I only have 4 buckets of slime. Worst one, the worst of them all that I made, and it's horrible, very bad. This one, look, no look, like you could just, look at that, it's really bad. So now this is very bad. Now you're trying to put it together, it's really hard. You see it just fell down. Look, you put it together, ta-da. You have to put it back in a cup and leave it there for like a long time to put it back together. It's bad. Okay, next slime, which is good. It's good. These 3 other slimes are good, but like this one's not the worst, but it's just good, but like, you know what I mean. This slime. So this slime, oh. I have a broken finger and a broken knuckle, guys. I'm sorry. So, this is, I used borax, Tide, like that stuff, that like a washing machine soap stuff, and it's called Tide. I used Tide, and I used glue. I used clear glue and regular glue for this one. So, like, if you can see closely, it's like blue and white at the same time. And, so it's, like, you can do this with it. Whoa. Peh, peh, peh. Also, shh, everybody, shh. If you're watching a video, be quiet. So, try to hear this noise. If you heard it, comment. It's like a cracking noise. Let me try it again. So you have to spread it and make a bubble. You put it together. These 3 are really sticky. The first one I showed you was really bad. See? Cracking noise, kind of. Okay. Let's put this slime away. Moving on. Moving on to the blue one. See? Okay, so this slime is good too. It's my second favorite slime. I use clear glue, Tide, and clear glue, Tide, and that's pretty much it. And you see, you can do the same thing as sometimes lets me down. Okay, so you make a bubble, put it together, and then, shh. Sorry guys, that was a little bit, not that loud. Let me try it again. Popped. You might be able to hear it. Yeah, okay, that was good. Moving on. Moving on to my favorite. Hey guys, can you open this? Hey guys, come on, open this for me. Come on guys, try with me. Try with me. Try with me. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Thank you guys for helping me. Okay, guys. Sorry, guys. Answer the phone. Okay. I'm back. Okay. So now, let's go to this slime. It's the stickiest I have. I like sticky. If you guys are wondering how I can play with slime with like this and stuff, because I have these 2 fingers and a thumb, I don't need these 2 fingers, like the fingers that are broken. Now, spread it. This is the stickiest, stretchiest. Look at that. I can make it bigger. It's all the way to the wall. Oh no, it's going down, it's going down. Oh. Okay. That failed, but you might be hearing a big crack this time. Okay, everybody. Shh. Ah, no, that wasn't that big. Let me try it again. Straight. Are you serious? You might be hearing a crack. I think so. Maybe might be hearing a crack. Nope. No crack. Okay, let's try this time. Come on, why are you failing me? Okay, it's already ripping, so let's just put it back together. Okay, I think so you'll be hearing a crack. Now, everybody, shh. 3, 2, 1, kaboom! Crack! Ah, it wasn't that loud. So hey guys, I have to be doing something for a little bit. Stay there. The worst bomb is coming! Which is very bad and won't blow up at all. It fell down my bed. Oh, come on, why did it have to fall down my bed? Okay, guys, that includes our video for today, and now goodbye!